How to use Grabpay to grab a car. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Grabpay to grab a car. You can use Grabpay, the mobile payment feature within the Grab app, to pay for Grab car rides in Southeast Asia. It offers a convenient and cashless way to pay for your Grab car services. Firstly, you need to open the Grabpay app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the car icon given on your Grabpay dashboard. Once you're in the transport section, the first thing you need to do is to set the location where you want to go. So here, tap on the map and set the location by dragging your cursor to either left or right. You can also zoom in to have a specific point of your destination. While doing so, you will see different rides for that specific route. Once you're done setting your location, tap on the Book Just Grab button given at the bottom. Now, you can see different rides given in the suggestions. You can choose the one that best suits you. Tap on these three dots given at the bottom to see more settings. Link your payment method to Grabpay, and when you book a ride, you can choose Grabpay as your payment option. It offers a convenient and cashless way to pay for your Grab car services. After adding your information, you are all good to go. Just complete the payment method and your ride will be booked. That's how you can use Grabpay for Grab car. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.